Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share my 3-in-1 trick on how I take care of my plants. As you know, monsoon season has started and it is very necessary that we take care of the plants in this season. It is very prone of ants and fungus attack. Everything is very distressing at these times. Though the plants are very green, but they are bound to get attacked. I make sure to spray my plants with this 3-in-1 plant care. Now you must be thinking that as it is raining, what is the use of spraying? Now I spray only on those days when it is sunny outside. Here the weather is warm and rainy. It's kind of a confusing weather. So the day I see that the sun is out, that is the day I spray my plants with it. Even if it rains afterwards, I don't have any problem as the leaves gets washed up and all that fertilizer and the care goes into the soil, which is also very good for the soil health. And I make sure that I spray the plants during the time when I know that it won't be raining soon and it will get dried up easily. So let's get started. Here you can see that I have taken some banana peel, onion peels and garlic peels. Now these are very nice fertilizers, especially the banana peel. Onion helps to repel certain kinds of bugs which are harmful for the plants. Now I have taken a bucket which has already has some leftover fertilizer which I made previously. Now I'll be adding some water into it. You have to keep this fertilizer for at least 7 days. You can keep it for more than 7 days also. Keep adding water when you see that the consistency of this liquid gets thick. You have to stir this mixture every day and make sure to cover it. Now, this is how the mixture looks after 7 days. Make sure to stir it very nicely so that whatever fertilizer and good nutrition is standing in the base comes up. Now I am going to strain it. I am doing it very slowly as I don't want the strainer to go inside the bucket. You can use these decomposed parts of banana peel and onion and garlic peels in your compost pile, or you can also feed your plants with it. Now this is the fertilizer. The first step is over. Now comes the second and the third step. Now here I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and baking soda. Cinnamon powder acts as an ant repellent and baking soda or cooking soda as a fungicide. Both of these are really very helpful in keeping the plant health in a proper manner. I'll be adding this in a 1 cup of water and mix it thoroughly. You can add this mixture in your spray bottle. I'm using a normal cold drink bottle as I have a spray nozzle which fits perfectly on it. I will be filling half the bottle with normal water and the cinnamon and baking soda mixture which I made. The other half will be filled by that banana, onion, and garlic peel fertilizer. That will become 3 in 1 plant care. You can spray this mixture on all your plants. You can also spray it onto the roots. Make sure to spray it on the plants very nicely, especially the plants which are affected with aphids and ants. I try to spray this very nicely on the top and the bottom leaf. Here you can see my guldaudi plant which is badly affected by ants. You can also see the ants trying to escape the cinnamon powder. So this is it. Please try it and tell me how it works for you. Thank you.